gustó mi primer clase. Ya, nos vamos. Wow, chicos, fantástico. Hola amigos, no les he visto en mucho tiempo. Es mi nuevo blog y reinicio de mi todo canal. Ahora nos veremos más de una vez al mes. Se me ocurrieron muchas cosas interesantes. Aquí sí que apóyenme por favor, pero no es el momento de charlar. Muy pronto tengo vacaciones y quiero llevarlos, ustedes, mis suscriptores, conmigo. Pero mientras estoy en casa necesito elegir los mejores vestidos de verano. Vale, he elegido mis vestidos. Será más bella en Chipre. Bueno, ¿estamos haciendo las maletas? Entonces, navegué en Instagram y pensé que quería volar a algún lugar y celebrar mi cumpleaños ahí con mis amigos. Leí que Chipre está realmente abierto para los turistas y rápidamente compré tickets de avión, reservé una villa y en un par de horas de vuelo, un par de horas en taxi y la imagen se hizo realidad. ¡Wow! Finalmente yo estoy aquí. ¿Qué puedo decir? Me gusta especialmente este jardín. Vale, vamos a ver nuestra villa. Vamos. Ah, la villa es muy bonita y yo veo que es muy grande, muy bueno para celebrar mi cumpleaños. Aquí están mis llaves. Wow. La sala de estar es muy grande y es muy padre porque podemos reunirnos aquí con mis amigos para ver películas. También me gusta la tele. Ah, la cocina no es genial, pero para mí no importa. ¡Wow! ¡Qué vista! Miren, muy padre. ¡Qué piscina! ¡Wow, chicos! Fantástico. Yo puedo ver las montañas, el mar y yo pienso que esta vista es la mejor. Ah, chicos, increíble. Chipre ahora tiene una situación difícil debido a COVID-19 y si quieres salir de casa tienes que enviar un SMS al gobierno y este SMS te da la oportunidad de estar fuera de la casa solo durante 3 horas y solo tienes 2 SMS al día y en total es 6 horas. Y además de todo, aquí hay un toque de queda a partir de las 9 por la tarde y ni los turistas ni los residentes locales pueden salir de la casa. Pero vale, ¿qué podemos hacer? Pero ahí hay turismo y no hace tanto calor ahora como en Dubái. ¿Qué dicen en la calle sobre mí? Y no te voy a negar. Hoy yo tengo un plan. Por la mañana un deportivo, yo tengo una clase de golf, un entrenamiento con un entrenador. No he jugado el golf antes, esta será la primera vez para mí y veamos cómo se va. Y después del golf yo tengo tenis, también habrá una clase de 1 hora. Aprendemos a sostener la raqueta con ustedes. Pero luego habrá algo más interesante. En Grecia yo probé el vino de la bodega que se llama Sanz y me gusta tanto este vino que cada mi viaje a Grecia va acompañado de una botella de Shiraz y afortunadamente esta bodega está aquí en Chipre. Quedan 8 minutos para el navegador, quizás ir en un patinete. ¿Por qué no? Porque hace buen tiempo. Sí, vayamos en patinete. Vale, quiero aparcar aquí. Aquí está mi scooter. Qué buen tiempo. Miren a estos alrededores. Muy bonito. ¿Y dónde está? Ah, está aquí. Golf Club. Vamos. Hemos llegado al club del golf. Para ser honesta, nunca en mi vida jugué en golf. Lo consideré un deporte demasiado aristocrático y no entendí ningún truco. En general, como en el curling, parece interesante, pero nada está claro. Pero como existe tal oportunidad, veamos cómo es el golf. Este es mi entrenador. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Danny. Hola, me llamo Danny.
Se llama Danny. Vale, vamos a tener esta clase. Oh my God.
Now the right hand's going to come underneath. Get your feet a little more apart. At the distance we stand from the ball, I want you to tilt forward so the club comes to rest on the floor. Finish.
Okay, Danny, thank you for your lesson, and I would like to take a little interview from you. My first question is, let's pretend I never played golf, I never watched TV, I don't know what is that, and can you describe what is golf very briefly, very shortly, like in 30 seconds?
Sure. Golf obviously is a game or a sport which has evolved over the years. It's played in hundreds of countries around the world. For all ages, abilities, male, female. It's a sport involving a golf ball on a big field, which we call a golf course, where we have lots of clubs. The idea is to hit the ball into the hole, which is perhaps 300-400 meters away, in the lowest score possible. And the one who has the lowest score wins.
Cool. And is it a myth that golf is only for rich people?
Definitely a myth. If you go to certain places, yes, you're at top places, then I can understand it would be expensive. But for many countries in the world, very, very affordable for everybody to play.
A few personal questions. How long have you been playing golf? Do you like to work as a coach, a golf coach?
Okay.
And do you like to live here in Cyprus and to work in Aphrodite Hills, which is a very beautiful place?
Okay, I'm 41 years old. I started playing golf, I think, in 1984.
Wow!
Like 37 years ago. I've been a professional.
Incredible.
I've been a professional now for 20 years and lived in Cyprus for 12. When you look around, why would you not want to live here?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Climate, everything. And for a golfer, perfect.
Originally, you're from Great Britain, right?
From London.
From London. I've been to London. I love the city. It's my top 3 cities in the world. Thank you a lot. I think that's all. Vale, me gustó mi primer clase, pero el golf no puede considerarse un deporte activo y quiero moverme un poco, por lo tanto es genial que haya una cancha de tenis al lado del campo de golf. Estamos en una cancha de tenis y yo estoy lista para mi primer clase. Este es mi entrenador, se llama Elena. Hi, Elena.
Hi.
What do I need to know before playing tennis? Is it dangerous or not?
Now the tennis is the most popular sport. Everybody wants to play.
Yeah.
Everybody wants, because first it's too much fun, too much movements. I'm so happy that this beautiful girl is next to me here and trying to play tennis.
I'm very excited, and so the first thing I think what I need to know is how to hold a racket correctly. Can you show me, please?
I will show you guys. It's the easiest way. It's to put the racket on the court, then to catch slightly on the bottom. This is the correct grip. In tennis, there are 2 grand strokes. One is forehand, the main shot, and the other is backhand with 2 hands. So you start, this is ready position. Always in tennis, you stay in the middle. So I show you the ball bounce. It has to bounce just once before you hit. I show you forehand. Bounce and hit very gently. Then two hands, bounce and hit.
So maybe I will try.
Yes? The ball. That was good.
Chicos, finalmente estoy aquí en la bodega que quería visitar muchísimo. Se llama Sanz y hace muy buen tiempo, es muy lindo aquí en las montañas. Vale, vamos a probar el vino. Hello, Harris.
Welcome.
Nice to meet you. Harris, first of all, thanks a lot for accepting us here today. The place is very beautiful, the weather is perfect. I liked how my day started. So what is our plan for today?
So, thank you for your kind words. Our plan for today is to taste the wine, first of all.
Good.
Maybe we'll have a tour down in the vineyards. And for sure to taste from the barrels, Kumandaria wine, that is the natural sweet wine of Cyprus.
It's the local one,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So it's sweet, so it's like a desert wine.
Yeah, it's a desert wine, yes, exactly.
Good, good. And who are you here? Are you the owner?
No,
of the
no,
winery?
I'm working here. I'm the enologist of the winery. And I'm here today to host you.
And what do you do?
Actually, I'm responsible for the winemaking.
So you know all the processes.
Yes, from the day that is grape until the day that is in the glass.
And is this winery old? When it was founded?
We founded back in 2006 from Mr. Agis Zambartas. That is the father of today owner, Marcos Zambartas, the son of Agis.
I tasted your wine, the red one, Shiraz, the black bottle. I liked it a lot. It goes good with the piece of steak. Yeah, it's perfect. Shiraz.
I think Shiraz Efkada is one of the most elegant labels we have here in the winery, and I really enjoy it.
So let's taste rosé. How is it correctly to drink the wine?
First of all, you give a taste in 45 degrees. You smell.
Like this?
No, you keep a distance. Yeah, exactly. You keep a distance from your nose. You make the first step, and then you swirl. You smell like.
I know you do it like to make the wine breathe.
Yeah, to make actually to make the volatile aromas to come in order to take them.
Yeah, it's different now.
Yes.
After this action.
And then you drink.
Lovely. I'll buy it after. And what is that, by the way, that thing?
That thing here, we use it mainly in the tastings. When you have to taste a lot of wines and you don't want to get drunk,
You just split it
you
there.
take a small sip and then you spit it back. And in the end, if you don't want to finish your glass, you empty your glass in there.
Okay, got it. So, okay, let's start our journey.
Yeah.
So, these are the vineyards themselves.
Yes.
How many square meters of vineyards do you have?
In total, we have 15 hectares of land, of vineyards. And out of it, 80% is ours. And the rest we rent it for some of our friends around the village here. It's some viticulturists that we have really good cooperation with them, and we rent the vineyards from them.
How often do you harvest?
The harvest here in Cyprus, we start from beginning of August, and we finish in late October.
So the climate is good for wine making here.
Nowadays, with the climate change, we have a lot of difficulties to grow, and we have the optimum maturity of the grapes. But we are here, we love wine, and we try to do our best in order to have the best wines as we can do.
It's hard because it's hot? Or?
Yes, because the high temperatures now, and in Cyprus we have humidity and high temperatures, and it's really difficult for the grapes to grow in their optimum potential.
And how many bottles per year? Sorry for all these numbers,
yeah.
but I'm really interested.
So let's say that per year we have 100,000 bottles. We go maximum 120, and let's say minimum 85 to 80.
And so what sort of grape grows on this boost?
Here we have Xynisteri.
Xynisteri, I know it.
It's the
good.
second most planted variety in Cyprus, and it's one of the 2 grapes that we make Commandaria out of it.
Commandaria, we will try it later.
Yes.
Yeah. Is it true that wine here in Cyprus is made like the same way like in Celentano movies, like with your legs?
No. Of course we've proven, of course we have an evolution of the winemaking, but we have a big festival, the wine festival in Cyprus, and we have there a big barrel of wood, and we put a lot of grapes, and in order for the tourists and other people that visit the fair, the festival, to have some experience.
So this is the room. This is the room with barrels. A bit cold here.
Yeah, here actually we have the Commandaria barrels, and here we have wine from 2011 until 2020.
Oh my God.
So we have wine that is produced in 2011, and we keep it until today into the barrels. It's gonna be bottled the Christmas that is coming now.
So can you tell me a little bit about it? Who was the first to bring wine here, to start producing wine here?
Yeah, actually Commandaria was made from the knights that was in Crusades, and from the king, the Richard the Lionheart, the third. And the knights, they wanted to make a wine just for them to drink it, and they took it with them to all their travelings, and they make it famous to the Asian world. Now we have a wine that is produced in the same way from the medieval days until today. And this for
the same way.
And this for Commandaria is a record Guinness. It's in the record Guinness. It's the first wine PDO in the world that is still producing in the same way until today. Commandaria took the name from the biggest castle they have here. The knights, it was called La Grande Commanderie, and that's why we have the name of Commandaria.
So I never tried Commandaria.
Let's try it.
Oh, wow.
This is for you.
Thank you.
Sure.
So it's sweet. And
Yes, we have a natural sweet wine that is aged for minimum 24 months in the barrels.
24.
Now we taste a wine that is aged in barrels for 10 years.
10 years?
Yeah.
Wow, so it's really old.
Yes, it's really old.
Okay, let's try. Smells good. Very nice. I thought it would be stronger, like liquor or something like that. Yeah, it's worth trying, really. So you can find Commandaria only in Cyprus.
Yes.
It's Cyprus national drink.
Actually, in Cyprus we have a triangle between 13 villages, and it's the only villages that allowed it, according to the regulation, to grow the grapes, to produce the Commandaria and to age it. From all over the world is a triangle between these 13 villages of Cyprus.
Is it true that wine is good for health? It's
Yeah,
healthy?
absolutely.
Absolutely. Wow, cool.
But with not irrational use. You have to use it. I will suggest 1 or 2 glasses per day. It's good for health. But 2 bottles per day is bad.
Okay, got it. Thank you very much. It was a wonderful experience. I'll finish my glass. Thank you. Cheers.
Drink wine to enjoy life.
Thanks. What the ¿Dónde está mi coche? Hi, Nick. I think I have trouble because my car disappeared. I don't know. Sorry, do you hear me? Yeah, tell me please, what do I need to do because my car disappeared? I parked it, yes, in hills, yeah. I parked it near some house. Oh, okay, I'll call police. Okay, thanks. Pienso que está prohibido aparcar aquí, por eso mi coche, por eso policía ha llevado mi coche. Vale, voy a llamar a la policía.